Guys, what's up? So today we're showing top best search keys for iOS 11, 12, 13, 14. The first key is called One Tab Clear. On average, on iOS device users wasted up to 96 hours of their lifetime just by having to tap twice to remove a single notification from the notification center. So I just totally made that figure up. One Tab Clear is here to save you countless hours of productivity, lost by simply eliminating that double tap and nonsense to remove a notification. This is called Phenomenon. I just want to give you guys a little thing, this tip. So these couple of tweets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 5 or 6 tweets are going to be for older iOS versions. I'm not sure if they work on the newer iOS versions. Next tweet's called Phenomenon, and new and fresh app switcher that comes with a really innovative and useful design. It allows for evoke, using a 3D touch on the left side, via a menu double press or an activated gesture, which is really optional. Allows you to either use Phenomenon as a fully replacement or simply use a useful addition to the default multitask switcher. This tweak is called Power Tap. This one does not seem to work on newer iOS versions. It allows you to toggle the power down bar through different settings, such as reboot, respring, and safe mode. They're all alternatives to this tweak, by the way. This tweak is called Showcase. And normally the key of iOS keyboard always displays uppercase letters regardless of the state of the shift key. With the Showcase extension installed, when the shift key is off, the keyboard will display lowercase letters. Next tweak is called Sleep FX and enjoy stun effects when they screen dims. Next tweak is called Smart Tap XX. And turn on the screen by tapping it. Next week is called NFC Writer XX or NFC Writer Helper, which helps you write different tabs. But this week, NFC Writer XX is 5, 11, 12, 13, 14. Scan, write, copy, format, emulate, serve. So you scan your NFC tags, credit or debit cards, MRTDs, documents, passport, ID cards on your iPhone. This tweak is pretty hard to use. I mean, it's really cool what it can do, but it doesn't really work as well. I mean, unless you really know what you're doing. But like I messed around with this tweak, I couldn't really get it to work properly or work efficiently, but it's pretty cool though, just like the whole like idea of it, and you know, it's pretty cool, but it doesn't work as well as you want it to. Like a lot of people want to copy like their card for the hotel so they can get into the hotel by using their phone, which would be really cool. Obviously for many reasons we can't do that, but that's one of the things that are like really hard to do, or that's something I couldn't figure out how to do. So if you guys are getting that tweak for those reasons, I would definitely recommend, just trying to see if you could do it before wasting your money, because it's really complicated how to do that stuff. This is called Big Shot JB. Takes a screenshot of full vertical scrollable area. This is called AF Social, and it basically allows you to like download videos or adds more features to social media apps, which iOS 10 or later. So you have supports Facebook, Instagram, Jodel, Messenger, Reddit, Safari, SoundCloud, TikTok, Tumblr, Tweetbot, Twitch, Twitter, WhatsApp, Business, YouTube Music, and Zen. That was like a rap right there, guys. So if you guys want me to be a rapper and stop doing these top tweets videos, I don't make any money off these videos anyway. Just leave down your guys' ideas. These videos are literally just for you guys to give you the best tweets, because I haven't made $1. I made at least probably like a total of like 500 top tweets videos. So pretty crazy. This tweak is pretty cool though. I mean, really underrated tweak, because you have so much features for different social media apps. This tweak is called Raspberry. Very lightweight tweak to align right or left align your status bar items. This tweak is called Raspberry. And it's a lightweight tweak that enables background playback for YouTube and the YouTube Music. This tweak is called Current. I think it's a weather tweak. Unfortunately, it doesn't display the description. This tweak is called Switch Spring, I thought, but Switch Style, and customize switch covers. This tweak is called Purple Bar. Always know when Do Not Disturb is on, so the purple bar makes the text and icons on the status bar purple when Do Not Disturb is on for the iPhone X. So you see up there how it's purple? Come on, that's pretty cool. I mean, like, that's how you guys know Do Not Disturb is on. This tweak's called Bottom Control X, and compared with iOS 11, 12, and 13 for iPhone X, Fluidity Enable, and Little X, easy access to your control center on the iPhone X. This is called Fluidity, adds iPhone X UI to other iOS 11 devices. And we have Fluid Enabler, and brings iPhone X features to all devices. And we have a Fluid Widget, which just adds the Fluid Widget. Let's do your widget called Chain. It's Etsy and HTML widget, full screen with custom options. This reads called Weather Date, show weather info on lock screen, and stock weather app icon. This reads called Gravitation, and it adds gravity to your home screen. This reads called HS Widgets, adds custom widgets right on your home screen. This reads called HS Weather Widget. It's iOS 14 style weather widget for HS widgets. This is called Add Source. Compared with iOS 8 to 14, allows you to add many sources at once. You can copy, fast delete, identify the sources, update, The sources. Select the sources, solve the mistake of random sources, and you fast delete, install, or update tweets. This tweet's called iAnnoyance, and a mobile social extension that announces incoming calls. And this tweak is a widget called iAndroid, one and only Android OS simulator for the iPhone is back and better than ever. Another one in iAndroid, Android OS sound files ported to the iPhone OS. This tweet is called Cast2, brings animated table scrolling to all tables on iOS. Next is called Live Wallpaper, and to do live wallpaper. Next is called Live Wall Enabler, and enables live wallpapers on iPhone 6 and 6 Plus. Next is called BF Decrypt, and decrypt for iOS 11 and up. Adds missing ID dependency, also with weather date, it's a meter, and twig for iOS 14. This tweak is called Sonyfy. Sonyfy brings a noise cancellation feature or control to your Sony headphones. Tweak is called Quit All, and should be Quit All version 3.5. It's an improved version from old Gold, with the 0 as an O in the front, so 0LD, GOLD. And this is one tweak, or one button to quit them all. Next tweak is called Vinculum. I'm going to show you this one as well, heavily inspired by the new Google Nexus 7.0 Nougat app drawer, or app drawer. It's a simple swipe up on the dock and you have access to all of your installed applications. And this is the second one, Vinculum 2. It's made on stream, so it's good successor Vinculum, completely reworked from the ground up, moves the app library from the last page to under the door or under the dock to quick and easy access. So why this is a really cool tweak for iOS 14 and 14.5.1 is that it was made on live stream. So like literally they made this tweak while like live streaming it, which is I think the only and first tweak, if I'm not mistaken, that actually done this before. So that's pretty cool. It's called Sakal, next alarm on your lock screen. Tweak called No In-App Safari. It disables in-app browsers globally. So it disables the in-app browser in the app that uses Safari View Controller and makes links open in the default browser instead. I want to mention with the other tweak, No In-App Safari does not work with apps like Instagram that have a browser inside their apps themselves. This tweak is called Green Pass. It allows this tweak allow you to choose a photo and display anywhere and on your device. You must have activated installed for this tweak to work. So you can see, gives you that Green Pass. And this tweak is called Curved Status Bar. Well, I guess it's like a theme. It gives you the curved status bar. It's called No Order Notifications Text. A simple tweak to hide a new order notifications text from the lock screen or cover sheet. Next tweak is called No Order Notifications Gone. The tweak moves the No Order Notifications text from the iOS 11 lock screen notification center. Enjoy. It's called App Activate. Also available App Activate Pro. It assigns activated actions to double tap in an app's icon. You see app activation audio. Best activation audio is here. And there's the App Activate Pro. Supports iOS 6 to 10. Tweak that lets you assign actions to simple tap in, double tap in, triple tap in, or tap in and hold an icon on your home screen. It's called Sleep IZ. Sleep IZ 2. A fall asleep with music and optimize your sleep routine. It's called Botsy 4. Fully customize your icon layout. It's called Phosphor Tools, helper tool for Phosphor tweets. It's called Live Phosphor Utils, basic utilities required by all Phosphor tweets. The last tweak is called AirPay. It is Apple's Pay reimagined, inspired by the AirPods pop-up. So that's what it looks like. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure there's no tweets. There's two more. No. So yeah, that's this tweak. It's called Prism. It's a feature-rich control center for iOS. You have these features right here. Well, these modules include these 7. Appearances, gestures, haptic touch, status widgets, tweak support, return policy. So if you guys are wondering, I do make basically like every tweak. That's why I have like old tweets and new tweets. I make videos I cover everything, guys. Like there's nobody else that does what I do. It's just constantly monitoring everywhere, just to make sure I get you guys all the tweets possible that I can find. And then after these tweets, I look for more and more and more and more. I wait for them to get updated, and then usually every day I upload the newest updated tweets along with old tweets and tweets that I find. So it's very it's a lot with this, you know. I mean, I don't make any money from this, so obviously I go to college, I work, and etc. do other stuff. So just this alone is very time consuming, just making these videos, finding all these tweets, etc. So we're gonna move on to the last tweak. Unc0ver. So I made videos on this tweak like a while ago on my main channel, Apple Tech Stop. But right now, as I'm making this video, that channel only has like 4 videos up, just because YouTube gave me 2 unfair strikes, which unfortunately I had to private and disable all those videos, which I had over 1,700, which took me over 4 hours to do. And now I make literally no money, because that was the only channel I was making money from. Because you need at least 1,000 subs, and I think 4,000 watch hours, and on this channel only has 200 subs, or whatever channel. I have a couple channels, but only one of them, well, 2 of them has over 1,000 subs, which is my main one, and then the other one, which doesn't even have 4,000 watch hours. Whatever. So I'm making this video for you guys without making any money at all from any of these videos as of now. Won't be for a while. I'm not even close to even 500 subs. I'm at like 2 something for this week. I mean, for this channel, I think. Alright, this week is called Phone Channel 3 and brings you functionality of displaying the live caller ID before answering. Does not work with every app or game. I mean, not every app or game. What am I saying? Does not work with every phone call. I did try to tweak out myself, and it's a really great tweak. It uses like 4 or 5 different like databases inside the App Store, like Truecaller, and uses like 4 other ones. It uses like a Arabic one as well, because some from phone calls are from out of internationally, out of the US. So it's not gonna have every phone call. It does have over 6 billion of them, but like I said, you're gonna get phone calls that you get that it's not gonna identify, because with some phone calls, you buy what's it called, a burner phone. So there's no way you can possibly even get those phone numbers. You gotta realize that. But for the most part, it's pretty good. But yeah, guys, so it identifies unknown callers, various search engines. Like I said, there's 5 plus different search engines that uses system-wide interrogations, offline mode, new styles, phone app interrogation, and call button, search history, multi-language support, open for developers, and lifetime support. So yeah, it does require Rocket Bootstrap version 1.0.8 or higher from arpeggiates. So yeah, pretty cool. I'll catch you guys in that one, and this is the updates as well. So you guys, I'll catch you in this one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.